This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting prerequisites in place so you can move fast. Install Java 11 or newer, Maven, and OpenCV4. Java bindings, make sure your webcam is working. Once done, scaffold a Maven project and add OpenCV, Java CV, and SQLite/JDBC dependencies to POM. XML so build runs. Next, collect a labeled dataset, ID, name, and multiple face images, and save labels in a CSV. Make sure file paths are consistent. Set up a simple SQLite DB to store attendance records before coding. You now implement the core pipeline: capture, preprocess, and train. OpenCV face detection locates faces, then crop and resize to 160x160, convert to grayscale, and apply histogram equalization so the model sees consistent inputs. Once you have embeddings, use FaceNet or LBPH descriptors, train a classifier such as SVM or KNN. Save the trained model and label map to disk. Make sure to validate with a holdout set and log accuracy. This helps you know whether to collect more images. You finish by wiring recognition to attendance recording. Load the saved model, perform real-time detection and matching, then write ID and timestamp into SQLite when confidence beats your chosen threshold. Provide UI feedback. Show name, confidence percent, and a retry button if recognition fails. If things go wrong, adjust the acceptance threshold first, then add more varied images per person and improve lighting, natural. Diffuse light reduces false negatives. Finally, log errors and swap to a stronger model if accuracy stays low.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.